Good morning, dear cadets. So we are in the chapter number 17 NCERT exercise. So till the question number 7 I have already completed exercise. Okay, now exercise number 8, NCERT exercise number 8. Question is here: why should we worry about the conditions and issues related to forest far from us? That is the question number 8. Now try to understand why we should worry about the conditions and issues related with the forest, even though forest is far from us. So just try to understand. Forest is the ecosystem which directly interacted with soil, water, air and living organism. Correct or not? Forest interact with the soil, air, water and living organism. Okay, and we are the living being, and for our need we depends on air, we depends on water, we depends on soil. Correct or not? For our survival. So if forest is disturbed, so definitely water, air, soil will also be disturbed. So ultimately we will be getting affected or not. That is why the issues related with the forest directly or indirectly they affect us, and we should be worry about those conditions and issue. So just see, I wrote here, we should be worry about the conditions and issues related to forest because they interact with the soil, water, air and living organism. We are living being and depends on soil, water and on air for our survival. If any of these non-living things gets affected, then our survival would be at danger. Are you getting my point or not? Because of soil we are getting food, because of air we are getting the oxygen, because of water we are getting the water. Correct or not? So if these things are, now suppose if forest is disturbed, means forest get destroyed, then what would be there? We will not get the pure air, we will not get the pure water, we will not get the food. So our survival will be at danger or not? That is why we should be worry about the conditions and issues related with the forest. Okay, now the question number 9 is explain why there is a need of variety of animals and plants in a forest. So already I have explained this question answer while explaining the chapter. I told you or not? Again I will tell why we should be worry. Why question is why there is a need of variety of plants and animal in the forest. So just I told you, in the forest plants and animal they are dependent on each other. Correct or not? Here question is why forest do require variety of animals and variety of plants. So just try to understand. If variety of animals would be there, okay, then what would be there? They will excrete waste material from their body, okay, animal droppings, and those animal droppings they contain the nutrients. Microorganism will decompose those droppings, and they will release the nutrients to the forest soil. So the fertility of the soil will increase or not? And when fertility of the soil will increase, then different variety of plants and trees will regenerate and grow there. Similarly, if different variety of animals will die in the forest, so microorganism will decompose their body and release the nutrients to the soil. So again forest will regenerate and grow. So this is the need of variety of animals. Now what is the need of variety of plants? Now try to understand. If different variety of plants are found in the forest, then what is there? Herbivores animal will grow there. When herbivores animal grow there, then carnivorous animal eat them. So just see, if different variety of plants is there, different variety of animal will also grow in the, means their number will increase in the forest. That is why in the forest variety of plants and variety of animals are required. Correct or not? if either one is gets affected because of unavoidable circumstances, then entire system will be affected. Okay, so that is why we require variety of animals and plants in the forest. Now question number 10 is, in already I have shown you the NCERT exercise in my previous video. Question number 10 is, in figure 17.15 the artist has forgotten to put the labels and direction on the arrows. Mark the direction on the arrows and label the diagram using the following labels. So just see, they have given this diagram. Even though I have shown the NCERT book, again I am showing. So they have given one diagram, okay, and in that diagram what is there? One tree is there, a cloud is there, rain is there, root system is there, soil is there, okay. Not only atmosphere is there, now they have given the word also: clouds, rain, atmosphere, carbon dioxide, oxygen, plants, animal, soil, root, water table, everything they have shown. So you have to just label it, okay. This is root system, this is underground water, this is oxygen, plants are releasing. So who will release the oxygen? Plants. Now this is a cloud, and cloud responsible for heavy rain. Now carbon dioxide they are absorbing. So just you should put the arrow marks, okay. And now this entire structure is atmosphere, okay. So I hope that you can do this one. There is no need of making the diagram. It is there in the NCERT book. Make the diagram and draw the arrow, okay. Now question number 11. This is MCQ type of question. Which of the following is not a forest product? So just see, they have given 4 options: gum, plywood, sealing wax, and 4th one is kerosene, okay. So which of the following is not forest product? Kerosene is not a forest product. Why it is not a forest product? Just see here. Gum you can obtain from forest, plywood you can obtain from forest, sealing wax that can also be obtained from forest. But what about kerosene? Kerosene is found in the petroleum, okay. So petroleum is nothing to do with the forest. So this is the right answer. Next one is question number 12. Which of the following statement is not correct? Okay, you have to find out that statement which is not correct. The first one is, forest protect the soil from erosion, okay, correct. Forest protect soil erosion. Next one is, plants and animal in a forest are not dependent on one another. This is not correct. Just see, in forest plants and animal they are dependent on each other for their survival and growth. Just now I have explained or not? So the question number 12, this option is the right option, okay. Plants and animal in forest are not dependent on one another, okay. Some other options they are also have given here. Forest influence the climate and water cycle. Soil helps forest to grow and regenerate, okay. Question number 13. Microorganism act upon the dead plants to produce. Microorganism act upon the dead plants to produce, okay. Options are sand, mushrooms, humus, wood. So microorganism act upon the dead plants to produce humus, correct or not? They are responsible for production of humus only, because plants are having so many organic materials. They decompose this one, then they will regenerate the humus, correct or not? So in this way, now there is one more option, that mushroom. So sometime what is there? Microorganism act upon the dead plants to produce. Actually the right option right here, mushroom, okay. Which is the right option? Mushroom. Mushroom is one type of, just see, mushrooms are the fungi, and you know they always grow upon dead and decaying matter. So microorganism act upon the dead plants to produce mushrooms, okay. what will be produced here? Mushrooms. They always produce on dead and decaying matter. Okay, so in this way all the NCERT exercise of chapter number 17 is completely completed. There is one more chapter exercise which is left, that is the chapter number 15. I have to complete that one also, but first I would like to complete the chapter number next one, that is the last chapter, wastewater story. First we'll complete that chapter, we'll explain, afterwards we'll complete their NCERT exercise, then at the end we'll solve the NCERT exercise of 15 chapter. Okay, so I hope that remaining chapter exercise you have already completed. Now I think what to say, soon after this one your half yearly exam would be there. So the prepare syllabus I have already given in the WhatsApp group. Chapter number 1 to 9, that is in the syllabus. Pattern also I will announce very soon. So this is the last class before your half yearly exam. So all the best for your half yearly exam. And now as far as syllabus is concerned, all the syllabus I have completely completed. There is no issue with the completion of the syllabus. Okay, we are well ahead. Okay, so I hope that you will perform better as compared to last time exam in this time. And this is 80 marks question, so you should study and prepare hard. Okay, and don't trouble us. Just send the question paper in one attachment only. Thank you.